Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Bank of India online banking account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL bankofindia.com. Once you get into the website, click on the personal or corporate underneath the internet banking. Then click on OK. You'll then be forwarded to this page and click on New User button. After you do that, you'll be headed to this page and here you'll need to enter your information. So start by entering your account number. Once you enter your account number, you'll then have to enter your mobile number. Once you enter your account number and the mobile number, you'll then have to enter the captcha displayed in the screen. So enter that. Once you fill in all your information, click on continue and you'll be headed to the further processes where you'll need to enter more information about yourself. And once you do that, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Bank of India online banking account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.